Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving technologies in the world: artificial intelligence. AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives, from virtual assistants on our smartphones to advanced robotics in manufacturing plants. In this video, we will discuss the future of AI and what it holds for us. Part 1. AI in the near future. AI has already made a significant impact on our lives, but we're just scratching the surface of its potential. In the near future, we can expect AI to become more intelligent, intuitive, and autonomous. AI will be able to perform more complex tasks that were previously only possible for humans, such as creative and emotional work. AI will also become more embedded in our daily lives, from smart homes to self-driving cars. Part 2. AI in the workplace. AI will also have a significant impact on the workplace. It will enable businesses to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. AI will also create new jobs in fields such as data science and machine learning, as businesses seek to harness the power of AI. However, it will also cause job losses in industries where repetitive tasks can be easily automated. Part 3. Ethical concerns around AI. As AI becomes more advanced, there are concerns around its ethical implications. One major concern is the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes, such as cyber attacks or the creation of autonomous weapons. There is also the issue of bias in AI, as algorithms can sometimes perpetuate societal inequalities. As we continue to develop AI, it's crucial that we address these ethical concerns and ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. Part 4. The future of AI and humanity. The future of AI is exciting, but it's also important to consider its impact on humanity. As AI becomes more advanced, there are concerns about its potential to surpass human intelligence and control. This scenario is known as the singularity, and it's a topic of intense debate among experts. While some believe that the singularity is a real possibility, others argue that it's unlikely or even impossible. Regardless of the outcome, it's essential that we approach the development of AI with caution and consideration for its potential impact on humanity. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of AI is filled with endless possibilities. From self-driving cars to robots performing surgery, AI will continue to revolutionize our world in ways we cannot yet imagine. However, as we develop this technology, it's crucial that we consider its ethical implications and potential impact on humanity. Only then can we ensure that the future of AI is one that benefits us all. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.